Hi, I'm Patrick. I'm one of the lead carpenters with Zenith. We have to remove a load-bearing wall here today, so I had to create a couple of temp walls in order to support the joist before I was able to remove that wall. And now we're going to be inserting a 20-foot long metal beam in order to confer the load all the way over there and out here onto foundation points. The biggest challenge we're going to have to lifting this 1,000-pound beam is getting it in the air safely and securely so that no one is actually underneath it, and because when you're lifting 1,000 pounds it's potential death if it falls on top of you. So we're using beam lifts that we rented so that it can actually lift the beam into place safely. That way no one is getting injured in the process.